Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So today we've got another unboxing. Evolution Tools was nice enough to send one of their saws over for us to evaluate and do a couple videos on. This is the EVO SAW 380, EVO SAW 380. This, I believe, is the next step after the Rage 2. The Rage 2 is another metal cutting saw just like this one. That I believe it was a 14, I know it has a 14-inch blade on it. This one also does 14-inch, but if you've got a 15-inch blade, it will use that as well. That's something that's different about this saw. So with that, let's get into this video. Alright, so let's open this sucker up. Always good to see the manual right on top. I like that. I do not like when you have to search for manuals. Sometimes they're stuffed in the stuffing there, and you just can't find them, or they're in the machine. Like with my Lincoln welder, I couldn't find the manual, it was in the welder. But there's a manual, and looks like a little bit of documentation on their lineup of drills. I really like these mag drills. I wouldn't mind having one of those. Looks like in the bag is a handle. I'm going to guess this is for the clamp. So as I said, this machine will do 14 or 15-inch blades. This goes on the clamp, so you can clamp either round stock or square stock. I have learned that you should not put square stock in flat. You should put it up on its side or on the corner. You should put the corner down. Makes your blades last a lot longer. So that was in the top. You can buy different blades for this saw. You can buy, I've got it written down here, you can buy steel, stainless steel, aluminum cutting, or wood cutting blades. I'm assuming their last one did wood also, but I don't remember that. Looks like there's some extra brushes for the motor, so we'll put those up to keep. Actually, I like a heavy saw. Why? Because as it moves, as you're cutting, it doesn't vibrate that easy, and it doesn't, move around a whole lot. I mean, I would recommend that you mount these somewheres. That would be better, but it's not always possible. These types of saws, I think, are better off being mobile. Just my opinion. So this unit is locked down. Oh, I like that locking mechanism. That's sweet. All right. And that's what's in the box. That is it. So what is this little handle for? It's not, yeah, here we go. That's what it is right there. And we're done. Excellent. So this saw looks really sweet. Got good spring action. Not sure what I'm doing there. Okay, that's just the cover touching. No big deal there. I'm going to try and get you in here to get some close-ups of this thing. Hope you can read that. 14-inch diameter, 1-inch bore. It is, the kerf is 0.094. That's the thickness of the blade. It is a 66 tooth, so that should be for steel. And it is right there. This unit has a 3-year warranty. It can the adjustment here can do 0, which was where it would be now, all the way to 45. This right here is really cool. This is the locking mechanism. Their last unit just had a simple chain that would come down here and then it would hook to the arm. But I like this right here a lot better. See, it's locked in place right there. And then when you want to lock the saw down, you slide it in right there. See there? Went right in. Now the saw is locked, and I think you're supposed to keep it in this position too when you're not using it. Another good feature, the Allen key that comes with it. This is what you take the blade off with. The Rage 2, I got the Allen wrench stored in the drawer, but this one right there, not going anywhere. You can't really lose that. Also, look at this base. This is cast aluminum. It looks really beefy and sturdy compared to the other one, or their old unit. And I'm really liking this new unit. It's a 15 amp motor. The cut capacity on this unit is rectangular. You can do 3 3/4 by 7 7/8. Square tubing, you can do 5 7/8 square, and then it'll do 5 7/8 round. Now this saw, I'm really digging it. And there we have it. That is Evolution's EVO SAW 380. Looks like a dandy to me, but we'll see. I'm gonna do some more videos just dedicated to this saw, and then you'll see it floating throughout some of the other videos that I hope to make. I know all the time I say that I'm trying to make more videos, and I am. Just, you know how life gets in the way of a lot of fun sometimes. But with that, we're going to call this one done. Thanks for stopping by. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. We'll see you next time. Thanks.